channel. So today is our 8th day of our 21 days challenge. So we have almost completed our 7 days in which we learned a lot of like theoretical theory knowledge. More than practical, it was like theory, because theory plays a very important role. Till you are not perfect in the theory, you can't create any kind of like amazing result in makeup. So today is also like something like theory only, but today we are going to learn in depth about the eyes. Why, like after doing the eye makeup also, you guys have this like this one in your mind as why my eyes are like looking little bit shorter, or why my face is not looking perfect, or somewhat you will be like feeling like, okay, this is happened because you're not doing the perfect eye makeup according to your eye shape. You're not doing such a kind of makeup which is like you have to do for your eye shape. So only you are facing this problem of the eye, that one, as if you like applying like thick liner or thin liner, why is it like not matching? So today we are going to learn about that. If you are like new to my channel, you can just get this details about this 21 days challenge in my like previous videos. I'll mention all the links below. You can just go through all that. Okay, to start with today's class, let us start with what are the different kinds of eye shapes. Today we are going to learn about what are the different kinds of eye shapes. You should be very attentive and you should let me know in the comments that what is your eye type. Okay, to understand it, if I explain you in detail about, there are many eye shapes, many types in the eyes. If I explain you that many, you'll get confused in that. So to understand with like perfectly, just understand that there are like mostly three eye shapes. Okay, one will be like we'll start with, one will be like almond shape, one will be like prominent eyes, and one will be like hooded eyes. If you just know the difference between three eye shapes, you can create amazing results. Okay, to start with the almond eye shape, it is a very perfect eye shape. One will call it as a one more eye name, we call it as a, which is like uplifted eye, and all we call it as like that, but that is not like nothing but like a almond shape only. Okay, so what is this almond shape now? This almond shape is like a perfect shape. If you see in your eyes, if you see this area and this area for them, it will be like lifted like this, and if they open the eye, this whole area of them will be like seen very openly, very this eyelid area will be like seen very prominently for them. For those kind of eyes, we called it as almond eyes, and those eyes are like really amazing to do any kind of eye makeup. You can take like darker colors, lighter colors, soft colors, any kind of like colors for them, it will like look great on them. Okay, for that kind of eyes, we call it as a almond shape, and this area will be like uplifted like this. Okay, in photo also I'll mention here as how it will be like uplifted here. So that is one eye type, and the second eye type is like prominent eyes. What is this prominent eyes? In prominent eyes, your eyeball will be looking like it is like coming out, it will be like prominent, and this area, you know, it will be like this. It will be, your eye shape will be like inside, it is like all the bones will be seen on your face, like bones are seen, and the eyes look like it is like sitting inside that bones and all. It is like totally hollow kind. For that eye shape, if you use darker color in your crease, then it will make you hollow inside more. So try to avoid the darker colors if you are like prominent eye makeup. I mean, if you have a prominent eyes, then try to like avoid the darker in this crease area, because this crease area will be first only, it will be like hollow kind. If you put darker colors, it will just go inside more. Okay, so this was the like prominent eyes. One more eyes, we call it as a hooded eyes. So mostly font eyes in like everyone, and the mostly like font, like the problem is like find in this only, as in the hooded eyes. So what is this hooded eyes? Hooded eyes are really like little bit like tricky eyes. So it is like very easy, you can understand. If you see my eyes, my eyes are hooded eyes. Okay, if you see my eye like this, you can see the whole area here. If I leave the eye, see my one more skin is like falling here, this skin is like falling on this. So my skin is like falling on this, and it is covering my whole area. For this kind of eyes, we call it as a hooded eyes. And for eye makeup, we have to like create a crease in such a way that if we just lay down our this one skin down also, our eyes area should be like seen prominently. So the eyeliner for this hooded eye should be very thin liner. If you apply thick liner first, only your space will be this much. If you cover it with a thick liner, it can like create I mean the very kind of like odd effect on your face. So don't try to like put a cat eyeliner or a thick eyeliner for the eyes like a hooded eyes. So this was about the hooded eyes. Now let us start with a fresh topic, as there are the eyes called as wide set eyes and one more eyes called as a closed set eyes. What is the difference between these two eyes now? So if you just measure this area, and if you just measure this area, if the area of here and the here is like perfect, then you don't have like any kind of like eyes like wide set or I mean the closed set, it will be like perfect. If this area is like this much is your eye area, and if you are keeping the eye hand here and this area is broader, the space between the two eyes are like little bit, I mean the far, then that kind of eyes are called as the I mean the the wide set eyes. Okay, for those kind of eyes we called it as a wide set eyes. For those eyes, what you have to do is, if you just create a something like you have seen the people applying the liner here also, creating the wing here also, for those kind of people it will look good. It will look good because creating the black eyeliner till here, it just creates a little bit of shadow, and this area will little bit come like small, this eyes will come little bit, I mean the this one for forward, it will not seen as it is a wide set. So make sure to use some kind of like dark shadows here, not that dark also, little bit of dark here or black liner here, so that your eye shouldn't look like it is too wide. Okay, so it is the wide set eyes. Now let us go for the closed set eyes. Same carries for the closed set eyes. The difference is the eyes area here, it will be too smaller. It will be too smaller. The eyes you are seeing my eyes. Now for that area, the eyes will be till like little bit more smaller this area, and the eyes will look very, I mean it looks like it is like the space is like very less in between. For that kind of eyes we call it as a closed set eyes. For that eyes you have to like apply the shimmer here, little bit of light eyeshadows and the shimmer here, so that the because of the like highlight, the eyes like this area, it should look little bit as it is getting wider. Okay, you can't take the eyeliner and apply for all kinds of eyes. You should see that whether applying eyeliner here and all it suits for your eyes or it doesn't suit your eyes. So make sure to like just make out what is like happening on your eyes and what is like not happening on your eyes, then go for like applying all that. So this was about the eyes. Now let me know in comments that what is your eyes, is it like wide set or is it like closed set or it is a normal, or in the other category that what we learned about the almond eyes, prominent eyes and also hooded eyes. Let me know in comments that what is your eyes in that. So accordingly in the next class we will learn about that what is the like do's and don'ts, what are the like do's and don'ts for the eye makeup, how to start like blending with the crease, eye makeups and everything will start very practically in from the next classes. Theory will be like very less in that, and the practical will be like more. So just make the notes of all this and also stay connected. Even we are like going to learn a lot of kind of like makeup looks in the further upcoming classes. So I hope so everyone is like following all the classes, all the steps. So okay, once in a like week on the Sunday at 7 o'clock we'll just meet live on the Instagram at my account called as a Makeup Stories by Subia. So whatever doubt you have, just write down your doubt and you can come live and you can ask any of your doubt. I'll be there to explain you in detail about the doubt and all. Okay, till that stay connected, make a lot of notes, and also if you're not in my WhatsApp group you can just DM me. I'll just mention that number also below. You can DM me so that I can add you to WhatsApp group so that you can get all the updates there. Okay, till there till that just stay connected, stay home, stay safe, and also don't forget to like add some values in others lives. Okay, take care, bye bye.